Hey guys, this is Prajwal. So before starting the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and also watch the video till end so that all your doubts are clear in this whole video. So guys, as you have read the title that Autodesk Fusion 360 is free. So yes, it is free, but some terms and conditions are applied for it. Now I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Autodesk Fusion 360. So you just have to go open any web browser like Chrome or Mozilla, then go on the search engine and just type Autodesk. Here you can see various links. Just click on the first link. After that it will open to the Autodesk website. Here you can see on this Autodesk website various software that the Autodesk is providing for the users. These softwares are for mechanical, civil and electrical engineers. So today's topic is about Fusion 360. So just click on the Fusion 360 software. After clicking on Fusion 360 software, the next site will open or the web page will open that will give you information about the Fusion 360, the various functions, the various characteristics that the software will give you, or the specification of the software you are going to get. What are the functions that you can carry out in this software? Simulation, electronics, design, whatever the thing that the software can do is been mentioned in this web page. After that you just scroll down to this website. When you are scrolling down, here you can see the Fusion 360 is for 11,210 per year. That's the price tag. This is an Indian site, that's why it is showing in rupees. So this is the price of 1 year free, 1 year full license version of Fusion 360. And here it is a short note that are you a student or educator, so get the Fusion 360 free. So now I will tell you how to get this software free. So just click on the free download free trial. After clicking on download free trial, the next page will be open of Autodesk. In that you can see the three criteria, that is for personal use, for commercial use and for educational use. Personal use is for the people who have a startup or a business that has an annual turnover around $1,000, so they cannot afford it. So that's why they are providing for them the 1 year free subscription. After that, if you want to further proceed, you have to go through some document verification and you can proceed the years of free using of Fusion 360. Then the commercial use. Here the companies can get the software. They can do 30-day free trial, and if they like it, they can get it for the companies, the full license copy and full accessible version of Fusion 360. For student use, just click on the third criteria is for student use. So just click on that educational use, and after clicking on that, so the next page will pop up. Here you can see free for students and education. Fusion 360 could be based on 3D CAMs, means CAD CAM software. CAD means computer aided drawing and CAM means computer aided manufacturing. So as you scroll downwards, here you can see get free education license. So there is a step-by-step procedure for getting this software. First you have to have an Autodesk account. Then you have to create, if you don't have an Autodesk account, just create an account. It is simple only. Then you have to sign in to the Autodesk account. After signing in, then you can get access to Fusion 360. In get access procedure, you have to verify your name, your college name, your institute name, and the documents that I told. There are some terms and condition applies. So you need the latest document of the current year where your college name, your name is been highlighted, like your college ID, your fee receipt, or any bona fide, like some sort of documents that I have explained. After that, after this procedure is completed, then you can download the software. And this Fusion 360 software is online software, so you need to have an internet connection for it. Then only you can use this software. The offline feature of this software is not available. The online is because you can update it, And there are some criteria for downloading this Fusion 360 is that your PC should have a Windows 10 in it, and it should be 64-bit. If you click on the download option, then the Autodesk will sense your PC, and according to it will download the version of Fusion 360 in your PC, and that is a very shorter file of about 11.1 MB. And after downloading it, you have to just sign into your Autodesk account, and then you can use this software. Here are some companies that are using Fusion 360, Autodesk Fusion 360, and you can see various automobile companies. What are they? You can research about these companies for what purpose they are using Fusion 360. This software can be used also for 3D printing. You just have to create your design and upload that design to the 3D your 3D printing machine, and the machine will create that design only. This software is also there is also mentioned that this software can be used for 3D printers. So guys, I hope you like the video. Do you have any query or any questions related to Autodesk, like signing in or creating an account that you are facing related to downloading? Please let me know in the comment section below. I would like to help you in that.